This is the brand new floor plan for 2019, the SportTrek 221 VRB. Brand new through Venture this year. It's a great couples unit, sleeps 2 to 3 people very comfortably. It is very spacious. You got a huge slide, especially for a 2-person floor plan. It's very big. You have a bar stool setup, which is great, so you can entertain. The TV's in a great position. We have the solid surface steps. You have a stainless steel appliance package, Furrion stove and oven with LED lights. As far as insulation goes, it has forced heat, heated and closed underbelly, and heated gate valves. If you and your wife are in this, because it's for 2 people, you're 5-10 minutes and you're easily camping. The Venture RV product we've had for about 13 years now. They're amazing with their warranty. We have great client relations. They talk directly to the customers. I'd be 100% comfortable going on a long road trip in this. You have tons of space, you have a big fridge, tons of storage outside and inside, so you're good to go. Or if you want to just go on the weekend, you're perfect for that too. We do have a bunch of those models in stock, along with other ones that are a little bit different, so come down and see us at Bucars RV. We'll be happy to help you out.